Okay, so for your concern, again I am repeating the question, listen it carefully. One container is there that is half filled with the water, whose radius is 7 meter and 7 centimeter, not 7 meter, 7 centimeter, and height is 10 centimeter. Now one sphere of unknown radius put into it. Then after putting the sphere in that container, it is seen that the water level rises 3.4 centimeter. 3.4 centimeter. So what is the area? What is the radius of the sphere? What is the radius of that sphere? Quickly find it. Quickly find it. Can you able to solve? Otherwise I will solve. Can you able to solve or? Anyone? Quickly, I will give you 1 minute more. I will give you 1 minute more, otherwise I will solve. Look at the board, everyone. Okay, first of all, students, anyone can say why that water level increased? Why that water level increased? Because of the sphere volume. Okay, so what is the volume of sphere? 4/3 pi into r cube. Okay. Now that water increase up to this. So this part is also a cylinder, and volume that amount of water is equal to the volume of that sphere, and as it is cylinder, its area, its volume will be pi r square h, pi into r square. Now what will be r? That is 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7, and what will be h? H means just level difference, that is 3.4. So 3.4 will be the height of, in that case. It is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone that 4/3 pi r cube, r means radius of the sphere, pi r square h means 3.4. Okay. Clear it is? Now just cut it. Pi and r cube equal to 7 into 7 into 3.4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. So just multiply it, 3 into 3, 7 into 7, that is 49. 49 into 498 point, that is okay. Wait students, I think something that 4/3 pi r cube equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, wait, just multiply it. Just multiply it by what you will get, that 4/3 pi r cube equal to pi r square h. Pi remove, and 3.4 by 4. So if you reduce it, that is 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 3. 49 into 3, you will get 147. 147 into 3.4 by 4. 3.4, 147 into 3.4 by 4. The answer will be 499.8. That is 140. Okay, I am doing it. So 3.147 divided by 3. So what is the area that you have got? That 490, Ridhita, that is 499.8. Okay, 499.8 by 4. Okay, 8 by 4. So 499.4 into 8. So now divide it. Now divide it, you will get almost approximately 124 point something, that is 124.9, you can say 9, or yes, 124.9. Now students, RQ equal to 140, it is almost 125. It is almost 125, so R equal to 5. This one is the answer. This one is the answer. Okay? Got it, everyone? The radius is next. What is the volume of sphere? Next question. What is the volume of sphere? If R equal to 5, what is the volume of sphere? What is the volume of the sphere? It's very easy. That is, yes, 4 third pi r cube, 4 into 4 by 3 into pi, 22 by 7 into r cube. R cube means 5 into 5 into 5. So just multiply 8, 5 into 5 into 5. So you will get, that is 5 into, that is 125. So 125 into 22 into 4 by 3. So you will get, yes, 523.80, 523.80, yes, 523.80. It is centimeter cube. Okay, that is question number 2. That is question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. What is the volume of cylinder? What is the volume of cylinder? What is the volume of that cylinder? Quickly. What is the volume of that cylinder? Both are the same cylinder, Vidita. Okay, just after putting the sphere, water level rises. Quickly. It's very easy. That is volume equal to volume of cylinder. That is C. So pi r square h 22 by 7 into r. R means 7 into 7 and h means 10. Okay, h means 10. So you will get, that is, yes, 1540. 1540 centimeter cube. 1540 centimeter cube. Okay. So this type of MCQs are very much important. This type of MCQ, yes. 1540 centimeter cube. 15.4 meter square. That is 1540. What? Any problem, Ridita? So it is 7 centimeter. Which? No. All are centimeter. All are centimeter. Okay. First, I have written it. That is centimeter. That's why you got you come in confusion. Okay. So today I end this class here, students. This type of question will come in your exam. So practice it from every chapter. Practice it from every chapter, and from next day I will go for the revision. Next day I will go for the revision. Okay. Now who are present? Okay. Time for your attendance. Time for your attendance. Annesha Dotto. Proত্যয় Rakshit, Raima Das, Raj Singh, Priya Kanjilal, okay. No, Vidita. Okay, I have taken all of your attendance. Yes, Sweet, I have taken your attendance. Okay, Trisha Roy is present. Okay. Okay, Trisha. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.